I-I-Siu ifike emahhovisi alomasipala yashaqa amabhuku, ama-laptops kanye nomakhalekhukhwini bezisebenzi njengoba isaqhubeka nophenyo lwayo ngalomasipala. Lokhu kulandela izikhalo zenkohlakalo ebezivela emphakathini.
We had a lot of complaints that came our way a long time, and it was coming from members of the public. And we then gathered information with them, and they gave us evidence. And the evidence that we got went up to 2019. That is why when the proclamation came, it starts in 1st January 2019.
Lo masipala usolwa ngenkohlakalo efaka amathenda ezindodla zemali okuhlinzeka izidingongqangi emphakathini, kanti izikhulu zalo masipala bezilokhu zinqaba ukudedela amabhuku okusebenza kwalo masipala.
We are looking at the projects, especially most of the projects are the water projects, the bulk sewer in Makana. We are looking at engineering projects. There are a lot of projects here, for example, that according to the PFMA, they are supposed to have gone on a 3 codes and 3 tender processes, and they didn't.
Amalungu omphakathi aveze nokuthi ezinye zezisebenzi zalo masipala azinazo iziqu zemsebenzi eziyenzayo.
A lot of stuff going on, ghost workers, people appointed who were not qualified for the job, people paid a higher salary than they're supposed to be, many other things that were covered by that report and have not actually been investigated for law enforcement.
I-I-Siu ithi sizocubungula kahle lamabhuku kanye nama-laptops ewashaqe kulomasipala namhlanje ukuze izothatha isinyathelo esilandelayo.